So as y'all can see, my clip is so broke. I'm not even gonna try to use it. Today we have Brandywine Falls. We're just doing a nature walk. My TikTok is not gonna be food reviews and other stuff. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna explore. We're gonna get y'all in the world. For the people that want to see stuff but don't want to travel or don't like doing this type of stuff, we're gonna get y'all into it from my point of view. We're gonna show y'all from my point of view how it goes. It's the forgotten village of Brandywine. So, as y'all can see, we're not supposed to be down here. But what is rules, you know? Rules are made to be broken. That's really why we snuck down here. Hey, the nature walk without this. Now, this is vibe. But sometimes for content, you gotta do a little extra. You just a normal dude, and you just sitting here and your girl working, and you on your ass. Trash. You a waste of life. Like, at that point. This be the scary part. When you by yourself, nobody around, hearing stuff in the woods. All you can do is just keep walking. You already started. So when y'all doing nature walks, make sure you always take something to protect yourself, no matter what it is. So I am officially bike and hike trail, bro. I'm lost. Okay, bye. I really gotta go. So I turned the GPS on, and we're fucking 20 minutes from the car. Yeah, this shit is a fucking crazy, fucking mythical story. It's peaceful right here. Real peaceful.
Path. Then in 40 feet, arrive at your destination.